How to debug step by step. Beginner level. Introduction. Debugging is one of the most important skills in programming. It refers to the process of finding and fixing errors, bugs, in a program. Every programmer encounters bugs while writing code. Even experienced developers spend a large portion of their time debugging programs. A bug may cause problems such as incorrect output, program crashes, infinite loops, unexpected behavior, runtime errors. Learning how to debug step by step helps programmers identify problems quickly and fix them efficiently. Debugging teaches important programming skills such as problem solving, code analysis, logical thinking, understanding program flow. What is debugging? Debugging is the process of locating and correcting errors in a program. In simple words, debugging equals finding and fixing bugs in a program. A bug is simply a mistake in the code that causes the program to behave incorrectly. Example bug. Example Python code. Numbers equals 10, 20, 30. Print numbers. 3. Output. Index error. List index out of range. The list has only 3 elements, so index 3 does not exist. Correct version. Print numbers. 2. Debugging helps identify mistakes like this. Step 1. Reproduce the problem. The first step in debugging is to observe and reproduce the error. Run the program and identify what error occurs, when it occurs, what input causes the problem. Example: index error, list index out of range. Understanding the problem helps locate the bug. Step 2. Read the error message. Error messages often contain useful information such as error type, file name, line number. Example: file program.py. Line 5. Index error, list index out of range. This tells you where the problem occurred. Step 3. Examine the code around the error. Look at the code near the line mentioned in the error message. Example: numbers equals 10, 20, 30. Print numbers. 3. Checking the list length reveals that the index is incorrect. Step 4. Check program logic. Sometimes the code runs but produces the wrong output. Example: x equals 10, y equals 5. Print x, y. If the programmer expected 15, the logic is incorrect. Correct version. Print x plus y. Debugging helps identify logical mistakes. Step 5. Use print statements. A common debugging technique is adding print statements to observe variable values. Example: x equals 10, y equals 0. Print x equals x. Print y equals y. Result equals x, y. The output reveals the cause of the problem. Step 6. Test small parts of the program. Large programs should be tested one part at a time. Example: instead of running the entire system, test individual functions. Def add a, b, return a plus b. Print add 5, 3. Testing smaller pieces makes debugging easier. Step 7. Use a debugger tool. Modern programming tools include debuggers. Examples: VS Code Debugger, PyCharm Debugger, IntelliJ Debugger, Chrome Developer Tools. Debuggers allow programmers to pause program execution, inspect variables, step through code line by line. This makes it easier to identify problems. Step 8. Fix the bug and test again. After identifying the problem, update the code and run the program again. Example: incorrect code. Print numbers. 3. Correct code. Print numbers. 2. Testing ensures the bug has been fixed. Common debugging techniques. Programmers use several debugging techniques. Print debugging. Example: print variable Helps observe program state. Breakpoints. Breakpoints pause execution at a specific line. Developers can inspect variables before continuing. Logging. Programs sometimes record information in logs. Example: user logged in. File opened successfully. Logs help identify where problems occur. Real-life analogy. Debugging is like detective work. Imagine a machine that stopped working. A technician investigates. When did the problem start? What part of the machine failed? What caused the failure? How can it be fixed? Programmers follow the same process when debugging software. Common beginner debugging mistakes. Beginners often make mistakes such as crossmark ignoring error messages, crossmark changing many things at once, crossmark not testing after fixes, crossmark guessing instead of analyzing the problem. Effective debugging requires patience and careful observation. Concepts learned from debugging. Learning debugging helps beginners develop checkmark problem-solving skills, checkmark code reading ability, checkmark logical thinking, checkmark error analysis, checkmark software troubleshooting skills. These abilities are essential for professional developers. Where debugging is used. Debugging is used in all types of software development, including web applications, mobile apps, desktop programs, game development, machine learning systems, server software. Every program eventually requires debugging. Simple definition. Debugging. The process of identifying and fixing errors or bugs in a program. Final summary. Debugging is an essential programming skill used to locate and fix errors in code. A step-by-step debugging process includes reproducing the problem, reading the error message, examining the code, checking program logic, using print statements or debugging tools, fixing the problem and testing again. By practicing debugging techniques, programmers can quickly identify issues and build more reliable software.